What is your name?
My name is Priyas.
What is your mother's name?
Mother's name Asha.
What is your father's name?
Father's name Leela.
Nihas, now tell ABCD rhyme.
A B C D E F G H Y J K L M N B Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Ringa ringa roses.
Inga denga roses octopella roses Basha Asha
Next, I hear thunder.
thunder boot you pita pita dindups pita pita dindups on went to
Next, rain rain go away.
then go away come away another it is me or separate then go away.
Twinkle twinkle little star.
Twinkle twinkle little star, oh wanna wonder what you want. Apple water or sour, I can dive in the sky.
Next, Johnny Johnny yes papa.
Jolly jolly is Papa eating sugar. Oh Papa, telling us no Papa. Open the mouth. Ah ah ah.
Nihas, tell me chubby cheeks.
Chubby cheeks, dimple cheeks, woolly lips, teeth in well, beautiful, eyes are blue, lonely too, teacher pet, teacher you, ash.
Very good. Next, A for
E for apple,
B for
B for ball,
C for
C for cat,
D for
D for dog,
E for
E for elephant,
F for
F for fish,
G for
J for goat,
H for
H for that,
I for
I for ice cream,
J for
J for jelly,
for
K for kite,
L for
L for lion,
yes. M for
M for mango,
N for
N for necklace,
O for
O for owl,
P for
P for parrot,
very
P
good.
for parrot,
Q for
Q for king,
R for
R for dog,
S for
H for sun,
T for
T for tea,
U for
U for umbrella,
U for
U for umbrella,
E for
A for ant,
W for
W for watermelon,
X for
X for xylophone,
Y for Z for
Z for jeep.
very good.
Thanks for